Today we are discussed about crystal systems. There are 7 type of crystal systems based on axial length and interfacial angle. That is, axial length is A, B and C, and the interfacial angle is alpha, beta and gamma. So based on these parameters, the crystal system is classified into 7 types. One is cubic structure, tetragonal system. Third one is orthorhombic system. Fourth one monoclinic system. Fifth one triclinic system. Fifth one rhombohedral system. And finally seventh one hexagonal systems. We will discuss it about one by one in details. First one is cubic system. In this cubic system, all the 3 axial lengths are equal. That is A, B and C. And they are perpendicular to each other. Each and every axis perpendicular to each other. A, B, C. And the axial length A is equal to B is equal to C. This is the condition. Similarly, the interfacial angles alpha, beta and gamma, alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. So all the interfacial angles 90 degree and all the length is equal. This is cubic system. Example for cubic system is iron, copper and sodium chloride. So these are all the example for cubic system. Second one, tetragonal system. In the system, the 2 axial lengths are equal. That is A equal to B. And third axis C, whether it is longer angle or shorter length or longer length. Here the interfacial angles alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. So here all the angles are 90 degree, but the length is A equal to B, that is 2 length is equal. The third one is longer or shorter axis. Third one is orthorhombic system. In this system, 3 axial length of unit cells are not equal. That is A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Here you see that A is very length is small and B is somewhat high, C is small. And all the interfacial angles alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree, which means which are all perpendicular to each other. The example for orthorhombic system is sulfur, topaz. The fourth one is monoclinic system. In this system, 3 axial lengths of unit cells are not equal. That is A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. So all the 3 axes are not equal to each and every one. All the 3 axis lengths are not equal. And 2 axes are perpendicular to each other. And 2 axes are perpendicular to each other. That is alpha, this one is alpha and beta. So perpendicular to each other. The third axis oblique inclined, that is inclined angle, slightly slanting. That is gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Alpha and beta equal to 90 degree, but the gamma, the third angle is not equal to 90 degree. The example for monoclinic system is sodium sulfide, ferrous sulfate, that is N2SO4 FeSO4. Then fifth one, triclinic system. In the system, all the 3 axis lengths of unit cells are not equal. All the 3 axis unit cells are not equal. Like that, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. And each angles are inclined to each other. Each angles are inclined to each other. That is, alpha is not equal to beta, is not equal to gamma, is not equal to 90 degree. Each and every angle is 90 degree. That is, example for this triclinic system is copper sulfate, potassium bromate. Sixth one is rhombohedral system. In the system, the 3 axial lengths of unit cells are equal. That is, A is equal to B is equal to C, and they are equally inclined to each other. They are equally inclined to each other at the angle is 90 degree. At the angle other than 90 degree, they are equally inclined. They are equally inclined to each other at the angle other than 90 degree. So, which are not equal to 90 degree. But the axis length of A is equal to B is equal to C. Then example for the rhombohedral is calcite. A is equal to B is equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. The last one is hexagonal system. Hexagonal system. This system is very unique system. When it is compared to other system, something different. Hexagonal system. In the system, the 2 axial length of unit cells are equal. That is A and B. A and B, and the third angle is 120 degree. Third is 120 degree, and the length of the third angle is also different. Length of the third angle is also different. C axis. See A, B, then C axis is different. It is A is equal to B is not equal to C. Then alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree. Here alpha is equal to 90 degree, beta equal to 90 degree, then gamma is equal to 120 degree. Gamma is equal to 120 degree. The example for this hexagonal system is zinc oxide and quartz. So these are all the some of the example for hexagonal system.